Mathsters, this is Miss A, and again, welcome back to my mini math virtual class where learning math is fun. Now in this video, I am going to teach you how to divide integers. So there are four reminders. I have four reminders for you before we start. Yung dividing integers saka multiplying integers, they actually follow the same rule. That is, kapag nagde-divide ka ng same sign, okay, pag parehas ng sign yung dividend mo at saka yung divisor mo, then your quotient will have a positive sign. But if otherwise, magiging negative yung quotient, yung sign ng quotient. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Kapag ang divisor ko or isa sa divisor ko at saka sa dividend ko yung naging negative, basta naging magkaiba yung sign nila, therefore mga Mathsters, ang kanilang quotient ay magkakaroon ng negative na sign. Okay, so without further ado, buckle up because you're in for another fun, mathful ride. Alright, so let's have our examples. I have four examples right here for this video, so let's start. You have negative 91 divided by negative 7. So negative and negative, parehas sila ng sign mga Mathsters. Therefore, alam na natin yung magiging sign ng quotient, and that is positive. So all we have to do now is to divide 91 by 7. So the quotient of that one is simply equal to positive 13. Alright, next. For our next example, you have 153 divided by negative 9. So as you can see, magkaiba ng sign yung ating dividend at ating divisor. So you have expected na quotient natin, yung magiging sign niya ay negative. And 153 divided by negative 9 is equal to negative 17. Ayan. Next, for example number 3, you have 350 divided by positive 14. So, positive, so magkapareha sila ng sign. Therefore, positive yung magiging sagot natin. And the quotient of 350 and 14 is simply equal to positive 25. And now, for our last example, we have negative right here. So, negative times, you have negative 168 divided by negative 14. So, unahin natin i-divide tong negative 168 saka negative 14, and that will give us a quotient equal to 12. So, ilalagay ko lang dito, so that is 12. However, let us not forget na meron tayong negative sign dito sa unahan ng ratio natin. So, this will be, may negative ka pa dyan. Therefore, you have negative times positive, so your final answer is negative 12. And that's it mga Mathsters. We'll end the video right here. So I hope nakatulong tong tutorial video sa inyo para maintindihan nyo kung paano tayo nagde-divide ng integers. Okay, so this has been Miss A, and yes, math is fun. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!